Namaste my dear sweet children. Today I am going to teach you phonic sound. Alright? So what do you mean by phonic sound? Phonic sounds helps us to read the words properly, and then we need not to learn any word. Okay? Phonic sounds helps us to even formulate any word. So phonic sounds are used to indicate about the alphabet letters. So as we know, we have 26 alphabets in English subject. Alright, so now we will going to study about the phonic sounds of the alphabets. Alright, so come, let's start. So our first alphabet is A. Our first alphabet is A. Alright, and what is the phonic sound of this alphabet? The phonic sound of this alphabet is A. Alright, and when you will take out the sound from your mouth, so you have to keep in your mind, you have to open your mouth properly, and then you have to take out the sound. So this is capital A says A. Capital A says A. You have to open your mouth and then you have to take out the sound. So the sound is A. Alright. Okay. So I am going to tell you 2-3 words also which starts with capital alphabet A. Okay. Let's say I am saying apple. Okay. Apple is a fruit which you eat. Okay. Apple, and alligator, and there are many more. Okay, so how we will take out the sound when we will see this alphabet in any word or in any spelling? So what sound you will take out from your mouth? You will take out the sound A. Okay, as you will see this alphabet, you will take out the sound A. Okay, you have to read it phonetically. Okay, now next alphabet is alphabet B. Okay, this is alphabet B. So B says B. B says B. Okay, like let us see 2-3 words. B for ball. Okay, so we don't say B for ball. What we say? B. 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 B says B. B means it starts for the word ball. Okay, ball, bat, butterfly. So we take out the sound from our mouth B. Okay, fine. Come, let us see next 2 alphabets. So here comes our next 2 alphabets. So over here it is, this is capital C. This is capital C. C says K. C says K. Like I am going to tell you 3 words. Let's say cat. Okay, so we don't say we don't read it like this, C-A-T. What we say? K. K-at, cat. Okay, so cat. Okay, caterpillar, alright, camel, cow. So see, the sound is coming K. So wherever you will see this alphabet, you have to take out the sound K. Alright. Now our next alphabet is D. Our next alphabet is D. D says D. D says D, like doll, drum. Okay, and many more. So this were phonic sounds of alphabet C and D. Okay. Now our next 2 alphabets are, this is capital E, and E says A, and E says A. When you will take out the sound of this alphabet, you have to pull your shoulder up and you have to take out the sound A. Okay, so this is capital E. E says A. Okay, like engine is there. Okay, egg is there, elephant is there, A. So we don't say elephant when E comes, we say elephant. Alright, so this is capital E. E says A. Okay, now this is capital F. This is capital F. F says fur. F says fur, like fan is there, frock is there. Girls wear frock, no? So frock is there, frog is there. So we say fur. So this is capital F. F says fur. Alright, now come, let's see the next 2 alphabets. So our next 2 alphabets are, number 1 over here is capital G. Okay, this is capital G. G says G. G says G, like goat, grass, gun. So this is the phonic sound of this alphabet G. Okay, now next alphabet is H. Next alphabet is H. This is capital H. H says her. H says her, like horse, hat, and many more like this. Okay. Now I am going to show you next two alphabets. So this is capital I, this is capital I says E, I says E, okay. Like examples I am going to give you, like igloo, house of ice, that is igloo, injection, so we say E, okay. So we say E, alright, okay. Now next is capital J, this is capital J, J says J, J says J, alright. Is it clear to you? Like jug, okay, jacket, jeep. So we indicate this capital alphabet with the phonic sound J, alright. Now here comes, this is capital M, this is capital M, M says M, M says M, okay. Like mouth, we have a mouth, alright. M for monkey, monkey is also there, so we say M, okay. Now next alphabet is N, now our next alphabet is N, okay. So N says N, what is the phonic sound of this letter? N says N, like needle is there, okay, nap is there, okay, napkin is also there, so N for N says N, alright. Now our next two alphabets are, this is capital K, this is capital K, K says K, K says K, okay. Like we say kite is there, okay, king is there, so what is the phonic sound of this letter? K says K. Next, this is capital L, this is capital L, L says L, L says L, like lion, lamb, okay, and so on. Now here comes the alphabet O. Here comes the alphabet O, and when we take out the phonic sound of this alphabet, so we have to open our mouth and take out the sound like this O. The shape of your lips will be round and then you have to take out the sound. So O says O, alright. Is it clear to you? Like ostrich is there, owl is there, so ow, okay, ow, you have to take out the sound ow, okay. This is capital P, this is capital P, P says P, P says P, okay, like pen, okay, pencil, paper, P, okay, parrot. So the phonic sound of this alphabet is P, alright. This is capital Q, this is capital Q, Q says Q, Q says Q, like we say queen, we say quill, okay. So this is capital Q and Q says Q. This is the phonic sound of this alphabet Q, okay. This is capital R, this is capital R, R says R, R says R. When you will take out the sound of this capital alphabet R, so make sure your tongue should touch your upper palate of the mouth and then the sound will come like this, R, R, okay, like rabbit, R, rabbit, rat, okay, and so on. Okay, so this is capital S, this is capital S, S says S, S says S, okay, like sun is there, okay, and sandwich, sandwich we eat, no, and many more like this. And this is capital T, this is capital T, T says T, T says T, like tomato, okay, tiger, so T, fine. Now here comes our next alphabets. This is alphabet U, this is alphabet U. The phonic sound of this alphabet is U says A, U says A, alright. Like we say under, so see A is coming, okay, are you getting? And this is capital V, this is capital V, okay, V says V, Okay, when you will take out the sound of this alphabet V, so your teeth, your front teeth should touch your lips, okay, and then the sound should come out. V, okay, like this, V. V for, like we say when, okay, and there are many more words. So this is capital W. This is capital W. So make sure when you will say this alphabet, so you have to say it fluently. W. You will not say like this W. No, it will get wrong. You have to say fluently. You will say W. You will say W fluently. Okay. The phonic sound of this alphabet is when you will take out the sound of this alphabet. So the shape of your lips will be round, completely round shape, and then the sound will come out like wah, like wah, like we say whale, watch. Okay. Now next alphabet is alphabet X. Next alphabet is X. Okay, and the phonic sound of X is X. X. Like there are many words, as I can tell you one word, X mystery. So X, X-ray, X. So what is the sound? X. I am repeating X. Alright. Now here comes our last two alphabets. So this is capital Y. This is capital Y. Y says Y. Y says Y, like yak, yacht. Alright. And now this is capital Z. This is capital Z. And the phonic sound of this alphabet is Z says Z. Okay. Z says Z. Okay. Like zoo, zookeeper. Okay. So this was all about our phonic sounds of the alphabets from A to Z. This phonic sounds will help you to read the word, okay, and to formulate the spellings also when you will go in higher classes. Then you need not to mug up the spelling, then you need not to learn each and every word. You can formulate with the help of phonic sounds. So phonic sounds are very important. So as I have shown you, phonic sounds from the alphabet A to Z. So that's all. Thank you so much and have a good day.